Hello friends. Today we will make social media lower third animation. Let's now watch the preview video of lower third. And for lower third you will find presets file for Kinemaster, and presets file for Alight motion. If you use any other video editor, then for that too I have given green screen template download link in description. So let's start the video now. I will show you first how to add presets file in Kinemaster. I will show you the versions of my Kinemaster app. This is my Kinemaster version. If your Kinemaster version is also the same or the latest version is not here, it should have the feature of project sharing. Okay friends. So now we import project file means presets file into Kinemaster. For that you have to click on import, then you have to come down. Here you will see the option of project file, then click here. Now you have to see in your file manager that where is preset file, then import it is. After importing you just have to rename the text. Then export it and you have lower third ready to use. So let's see now how to edit this in Alight Motion app. So let's see, after importing the preset in Alight Motion, along with renaming its text, you can also change its color. Hope you liked today's video. So don't forget to like the video. So we see you in the next video.